Hello friends, welcome back to Tamara's Garden. In today's video I will be sharing with you some of the hardy plants for you. If you are a beginner gardener, this video is ideal for you because I'll be sharing some low maintenance permanent plants which you can grow even without fertilizer. So this video you must watch until the end so that you will know all the plants that you must buy from a nursery or else you can get them from your friends. So stay tuned until the end, and if you are new, consider to subscribe. Aloe vera, one of the permanent and low maintenance plants and also one of the beginner gardeners plants. This is one of the hardy plants for you because this is easy to care and grow. So this is one of the plants that you must have in your garden, and also you can make many more plants with leaf cutting and also by dividing the aloe vera mother plant. This is one of the huge plants growing in a plastic container, and you can see there are many more baby pups appearing, so I can multiply simply by dividing them. You can put them in separate planters and grow many more. These aloe vera plants, one of the medicinal and also must have plants in your garden. Rubber plant, another hardy plant for your garden. This is one of the best plants for outdoor as well as indoor garden. So this plant keep indoors as an indoor plant since this is an air purifier too, a low maintenance plant and also one of the shade loving plants. Another hardy plant suggestion for your garden is the syngonium. This also you can grow with the aerial root area simply by a cutting. And this is another hardy plant, beautiful greeny plant. Grow them from stem cuttings in water, easy to propagate and grow. Varieties of philodendron, very easy to grow, low maintenance and also very hardy plants. These are beautiful green plants as well, permanent, low maintenance and also shade loving plants. Pothos plants, one of the best beginner gardeners plants, and these are also low maintenance and permanent. Best hardy plants for beginners. Another beautiful house plant and also one of the hardy plant is the sansevieria plant. This is one of the snake plant varieties and you don't need to water them every day. So you can check the soil and water this plant. This is one of the beginner gardeners plants. This is also low maintenance and permanent. No care needed and no watering also needed every day. No water needed every day, so this is very easy to care. Only thing is provide well draining soil, and it is advisable you use a planter with a great drainage hole because the drainage system is very important when you put these sansevieria plants in a planter. Lucky bamboo plants are also low maintenance and permanent, and also these are very hardy plants, belongs to the family of Dracaena. You can grow them with stems, and I have uploaded a video of how to care and how to look after these plants separately, and I will put the links in the description so you can watch it also with your time. This is another hardy plant, a beginner gardener's plant too, very easy to look after, very easy to grow and care. Chinese evergreen plants are also low maintenance and hardy plants. Only thing is you'll have to provide them shade. Do not put them in the bright direct sunlight area. These are beautiful house plants and also low maintenance and permanent plants. For a beginner gardener, they can easily grow these plants, and you can check the soil and water when you want to water these plants. ZZ plants are also low maintenance and permanent plants. These are also hardy plants, very easy to grow and look after. You can grow them with stems and also with a leaf cutting. These plants also doesn't need much care. Only thing is you'll have to keep it in an area where they get the partial to medium sunlight. Erica palm plants, see that you keep it in an area where they get the partial to medium sunlight, or else you can keep it indoors as a house plant. This is an air purifier too. Erica palm plants are beautiful house plants, low maintenance and permanent, and also one of the hardy plants. Pandanus plants, variegated leafy plants, beautiful. They tolerate any These plants can tolerate any weather condition. These plants are ideal for a beginner gardener, and also this is a very hardy plant, very easy to grow, look after and maintain. One of the best house plants because their leaves are so elegant and bright looking. Prayer plant varieties. This is another hardy plant. There are many varieties and they are all very green and beautiful. Now look at this plant. Out of many varieties, I have this green plant, and this is very eye-catching. Low maintenance and permanent, one of the beginner gardener's plants too. You can divide and multiply them very easily. Cast iron plant, one of the beautiful greeny plants. I love this beautiful plant. Low maintenance and permanent. You can keep it at your entrance. Put them in a huge plant and see how it grows really very healthily. Look at this Dracaena variety. This is also a hardy plant. You can grow them with a stem cutting. Very beautiful and decorative. Here is another Dracaena variety.